Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel or my TikTok channel. I don't know where you are watching me from. Yeah, so I'm at YouTube and TikTok. So guys, this is the app that make actually say yeah, me any Skakon online. So just follow this white this white tab because this is what I'll be using to locate any place that I'll be pressing. Okay, so this is the app that you can use to earn money online 2025. I promised you guys for. And this app you can download it from anywhere. It's not at Play Store, it is not at Chrome, it is by link. Yeah, it is by link before you can get this app to download or to use and earn money online. So today, in my previous video, I told you that the app's name is 1N. So today I'm coming to show you how to install the app on your phone to use, how to log in, and how to earn these three things. Please stay tuned till stay from head to toe so that everything that will be saying you can get it. So it's on my phone already, so I will be installing it. Install, as you can see the white tab, yeah, where it's pointing. So I will be installing it. So as it's installing, as you can hear, my voice is not clear because I'm sick a little bit, but around I'm okay. Yeah, we installing we are now call them signing up and I Gmail. Why? Yeah, so guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me at TikTok. Those are the two apps that I have for my videos right now. Yeah, so it's installing. And if you are new here, please, you can get the link in the at the YouTube, or if you're watching me from TikTok, unless so it is done. So you are going to open it unless you join my Telegram channel. You get me? Unless you join my Telegram channel, you will start again because no, it's on my phone. So let's go back and go and do what and continue from there. So this is how to install it if you have placed in my Telegram channel or WhatsApp. So if you are at my Telegram or WhatsApp, you can get the app for yourself. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, we are continuing. So this is the app 1N. So at the Telegram over there, if you install it and you need to open it and it will just carry you into the app, but to be at your home page at your phone. Yeah, so yankum press why. So if you enter this, how it look like, it loads up and bring this how it looks like, the correct app in which you can earn money from. So guys, let me surprise you. Please complete your profile. So let's click OK, and please can you read this information in which the app is given to you. Yeah, can you now we are now clicking OK. Yeah, so you can use your either your Facebook or your Google account. So let me tell you one thing from here. So this app is an arts app. Arts nature say ebo arts ebo no enu na tu omuka momo be edit. And one secret again, Momo, it uses only Momo like MTN or Telecel. I don't know about Voda. So if you have Voda, maybe you can work here. You can collect your friend on and use it to fill your payment method. And all is simple, but I'll be bringing the payment method later, guys. So you choose your Gmail. So if it is Gmail, you choose it. If it is Facebook, you choose it. But I will tell you to choose Gmail because it is very reliable or easy to log in. So we'll log in and see the app, what is going on there. So you just click on your Gmail, pick. So let me click. So this is how it will appear, and you select your Gmails from the one you want to use to sign up. Yeah, very simple, and it will just take you into the app straight. So you come and fill your profile over here, but start earning now. So if you click on the start earning now, it will take you to where you have to earn. Very simple. You just click on the green something. After you click on it, it gives you a different time, like 1 minute. It counts down. So after you come and claim the second listing. Yeah, so this is the first one, and this place is the end. This place is comment, this place is home, this place is YouTube, and this place is extra, and this place is share. Okay guys, you see how I've taken my time. I'm taking my time and so you guys should show me love by subscribing to my YouTube channel, or if it is TikTok you are watching me from, follow my TikTok account. Okay, and join me at Telegram, and the Telegram is Skakon's Hustle. Okay, so search at Telegram Skakon's Hustle, or check if you are watching me from YouTube, check my video description to get the link. Join my Telegram and download the app and make money. Okay guys. So guys, I just experienced one ad, so it is up again for you to claim. It is done for you to claim. So you click on it again for you to claim. You click and you get, right now you have received 0.02 Ghana cedis. Yeah, you just received 0.02 Ghana cedis. So let's go to the extra N, which is this place. Extra N. So click on it. So this place is a very different thing. This money that I'm claiming, it is very different. I want baby different. So you click on it and claim 50 pesos every day. This one is for every day. Yeah, every day. So tomorrow by this time you come and claim another 50 pesos. Small time you just get 20 cedi, 10 cedi, 30 Ghana and you withdraw. So you can see the withdraw over here. Withdraw no. If you reach the read down here, so we can let me see. Now let me use this one because you can see. Read this place. You get me? So come to this place and read that place too. Message. So this is ads. So I'm done with the ads. If I let it play here, they can remove the video from YouTube. So read this place. As you can see, read this place also to get the information of what the app is telling you here. So claim again because it's full. This place is chat room. So as you can see, this place is chat room. So this place you fill in your profile information to get into the chat. This is not my account. The account that I'm having, like I've created, there is money. I have money over there. So this is not it. I'll be showing that one to cash out for you guys. And if I cash out, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw money from this app. It is very simple. So I'll be bringing updates. So for you, like what you have to do now is to start claiming your points. And the next tomorrow or something like 24 hours, I'll be dropping how to withdraw your money. You just come here. If you say we can read this place, the time is going, guys. We can send money directly to your mobile money wallet. Allowed withdraw amount 5 Ghana cedis. So if you just receive 5 Ghana cedis over here, you can click on withdraw. You see withdraw. So it will take you to fill a form, put your number, your name to withdraw from either MTN, you can see it over here, or Telecel. Okay, thanks. So that's what I'll be bringing the next update. Let's go to YouTube. This YouTube is free. If you fill up your this thing over here too is free. This is your home to claim. If you click on home, this home, you come here to earn. And all of them are the same thing. You get me? Anything you know, guys. And to baha, who person chat or chat room, who baha now affiliate profile. Right. So let's go there. So you click on. I told you to add your everything over here, your picture and your name, and you click on save. So you just enter just like that. Yeah. So if you enter, this how it look like. Let me fill it and enter for you. So guys, as you can see, I've filled in my profile, the profile tour, and I'm doing because I have an account already with my name Skakon. So that's why I add this one. I add plenty S so that it will look different. You get and you click on save. So if you click on save, so this is the one chat. If you have any question or like we are asking ourselves question, and if some people are like us out, they pay them and they post it over here. You get, and they do delete the chats. You get me? So let's go to home again. This home. So click on home. This is ad. And this ad, please, if it's playing, leave it for it to play. You see other cancel over here or here. You get it. And if it came before you cancel it so that you can get paid. Do you see that it appears over here? Click on it. Oh, sorry. So you click on it. You click on it again for it to bring you to home. You get me? So this is YouTube. This place you can do a research of it. You can go home and claim. Don't forget this extra because it gives you 50% straightforward. And this place too. So these two places that you can use to earn. You get me? So claim the money. Start claiming the money. I will teach you how to withdraw it. It is very simple for you to withdraw. If this place is full, you just click on it and fill in your details. That's all. Remember, Telecel and MTN. So that's what they used to pay you. So I'm done. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment anything that you don't understand. Okay, any place you are watching it from. Even if it is TikTok, follow, comment, and share to your friends. So guys, let's start sharing it. I'll tell people to join my Telegram channel. Yeah, join this video description to join the Telegram or WhatsApp to get the app for yourself. Bye. Because next video I'll be showing you how much I've earned to withdraw, and if the withdraw enter my Momo inside, I will screenshot it or video it for you. That's all. Follow my account, share this, and join people to my Telegram channel. Bye. I have one small thing to tell you. Know that, remember that it is the ads. You watch the ads before they will pay you. Who share ads now as I bet you. Until don't be skipping the ads. Don't use ads blocker. If not, if you get the money and you are withdrawing it, they can say you are using ad blocker or blah blah blah. But they pay us 99% of we using the app. They pay all of us. So don't use ad blocker. Yeah. So thanks. Remember to subscribe. Bye. So guys, this is the secret place in which I said I'll be revealing to you at the end of this video. So you can open the 1N app over here to our Telegram. The moment you finish installing it right there in Telegram, then you can click on open. Can you see the open? So if you click on open, I've told you guys how to do this to log in with your Gmail already. So this is the place that you need to fill in your Gmail, and this is my main account in which I want to withdraw. You skip it right here. Also wait for it to play before you skip them. So you click on it, skip again. So this is the place in which you have to fill in your Gmail. So this app, if you download the app and you delete it on the phone, your money that you have over there, it will vanish, it will lost. So use the app wisely. If you download the app, you create it, and you want to delete the app on your phone, make sure you withdraw your money before you delete the app on your phone. If you delete it on your phone, you can't get access to your money no more. That's a secret for you too. So let's go. So I want to log into my account. Do you get me? So guys, so this is my homepage. This the place, the account in which I have a lot of money inside, and I want to withdraw it. So for this place, I will be showing you this place, that 3 lines, what it means, and this chart. Right now I'm in my main account and the money that I've earned so far. You guys understand? So this is the secret, or the last part in which I want to reveal to you. So this is the chat side. What chat? So this is me. I can send hi. So as you can see, people are chatting around. So I can send hi. Let me see. Yeah, so this is me. As you can see, this is me sending hi to the group or to the chat. So let's go to my earnings. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, you see my earnings. Do you see 32 Ghana cedis? Don't play. So this is how the withdraw button opens. This is how it opens. So let me quickly show you these 3 dots and come back. Okay, so you click on the withdraw button. So you join their Telegram channel, this app. You join their Telegram channel, and this home, and this privacy policy. So let's go back. That's all from here. So this the money that I've earned so far. As you can see, everything is activating here. I'm not faking, guys. So let me claim my 0.01 pessoa 1 Ghana cedis to my money. I will see my fund 32.63 Ghana cedis. 32.63 Ghana cedis. That is 32.63 Ghana cedis. So I will be clicking on withdraw, and I will be bringing the distance so that you see that it is working. Okay, or I'll put it in different video, the next video in which I'll be uploading. So stay tuned and watch my video. If you don't understand anything, comment it under the video, and I'll be there to help you as soon as possible, guys. Okay, so that's all for now. And this is an ad. So the ads, don't skip them, play them, watch them, so that if you get your money, they will withdraw it for you peacefully. Do you understand? So you skip it from here, you go back from here. I say that don't delete the app. If you are having money over here, don't dare delete the app. Claim your money before you delete it, so that if you install the app again, you can start new. By your profile and everything will start. The Gmail that you used to log in, everything will come. Do you get me? Okay, so that is it.
Join my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp, everywhere. So that's it. Subscribe, like the video, comment anything. So I want you guys to rate this video from 1 to 10 at my comment section, because this video is a long video. Yeah, it's a long video, and I try to explain everything that you need to do in this app. I try to explain all of them. Do that. So this place, I just withdraw some amount of money, guys. I just withdraw some amount of money over there. Do my this place. So you can see that this place I've withdrawn already. So if you claim, so I have 50% to claim. Okay. So guys, sometimes they bring free airdrop for you to claim faster. So that is 0.15 Ghana cedis. So you can claim another one, and you will just get 1 cedi right now. Yeah. So sometimes they bring the money in which you can claim. They will bring it to 1 cedi or 2 cedi for you to claim once. So this app is a very interesting app. That's why I'm sharing it to you guys. No one will teach you this thing. So have you seen it? 24 hours. I just claim it right now, and it's coming. So I have to claim it before I go out. Do you get me? So Charlie, everybody needs money. So I have to stay here, and if it's full up, so I'll claim it before I leave, because it's an extra distance, extra end, guys. So I'm not going to play. Let me claim it again. So if this place, if you receive 5 cedi withdraw, this place too, you receive 5 cedi withdraw. If the ads are playing, let them play. Yeah, let them feel free. So I'm coming to claim again. This place, you claim it for 24 hours. But right now, the app has given us a free promotion or something. You get. So let me cut it here. If not, I will waste your time. Guys. So rate my video from 1 to 10 for me. From 1 to 10, because I know that it's long, and me too, I know that I've teach you guys a lot already. So next time, into the next video, I will show you how to withdraw. I want to reach like 40 Ghana. Before you put. So guys, it has finished playing. So we'll claim it again. You will see. So withdraw. I'll be putting it in my next video. Already this video is like. So guys, first, sorry for the disturbance. Some cars are making noise over here. So that is it. I'll be withdrawing the money just tomorrow, 24 hours later. I want to reach 40 Ghana to withdraw, so that I'll get some money for myself. Yeah. So this place, I withdraw it for some bundles and blah blah blah. This place, if I get 5 cedi, 10 cedi, I withdraw it. I used to buy my bundles then thing. But this one, I used to do many things. So I think that's all for now. So this is the app, guys. 1N app is here to help us a little bit. How can you do? So I'll be bringing more apps that pays. Sometimes I'll bring websites, sometimes I'll bring apps. So that's all. So meet you again. Bye.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.